Hello, I'm Adnan Sajad. Welcome to A1TV. Let's take a quick look at today's top stories from Pakistan and around the world. A terrorist attack on the Mazanga police post in Banu was fueled due to the timely and effective response of the security personnel. According to the police, a large number of militants launched an attack on the outpost at ground 1:30 a.m., promoting immediate and strong retaliations by the security officials. The exchange of fire continued until dawn, after which the attackers were forced to the retreat, suffering losses. An image of Donald Trump will soon appear in some U.S. passports, officials said on the Tuesday, shutting another norm as the president aggressively puts his personal stamp on government institutions. There are few presidents anywhere in the world, let alone in the democracy, of displaying sitting leaders' pictures in the passport, and Trump would be the first sitting U.S. president featured in American travel documents. Middle East tensions are expected to drive a significant increase in the global energy prices, the World Bank reported. According to the bank's latest forecast, energy costs could rise by up to the 24% in the 2026. The report noted that even if the regional tensions ease by May, prices are likely to remain elevated. Tourism and recreational activities are thriving in China during the holiday period on the occasion of Labor Day. Consumer spending and consumption activities are also experiencing significant growth. And that's all for now from A1 TV. For more updates, keep watching A1 TV.